So what's the difference between RADIESSE and Hyperdilute RADIESSE? Well, they are both made out of calcium hydroxyapatite, which is a mouthful, but basically is a collagen stimulator. We will use RADIESSE as a filler though, so without diluting it, we could put RADIESSE in the cheeks, in the chin, in the jaw, in the hands, marionettes, nasolabial folds. We could put RADIESSE in a lot of different places to help volumize immediately. But what we can also do with it is we can hyperdilute it, which means we can mix it with saline or lidocaine, and we can put it in areas that are thinner to help use its collagen stimulating abilities. So we can put hyperdilute RADIESSE in the neck, in the chest, in the arms, in the legs, anywhere that there's laxity of the skin. It's not going to give you a filled look immediately, but what it does is it lays a mattress of collagen stimulation. So let's say you're going to do it, one of the most popular places to do it is in the lower part of the cheeks. This area is very, very difficult to put regular filler in, because I could put 12 syringes of filler in here and you will not really notice a difference. But if we put Hyperdilute RADIESSE in here, you're also not going to notice a difference initially, but over the next 3 months, your body is going to make collagen right where we put that Hyperdilute RADIESSE. So it is very subtle, it's very natural, it will also help your skin glow. So Hyperdilute RADIESSE is a great option when you are looking to try to make more collagen naturally. So what's really the difference? The difference is RADIESSE is going to lift and give you an immediate result, and then Hyperdilute RADIESSE is for those thinner areas that filler really doesn't work for, but we just want that more natural collagen producing effect. Who's a candidate for these things? Everybody's a candidate. Unless you have an allergy to calcium hydroxyapatite, which we have in our body naturally, so you most likely don't have an allergy to that. Everybody is a candidate for either of those products, which really is the same product, but you know what I'm trying to say. And then what are the side effects or downtime? Really, it's just bruising, because we have to use a needle or a cannula in order to get the product into your skin, and that can come along with some bruising, but you can use some arnica. We have other ways to help bruising go away faster, but really that's it. You don't have to take any time off of work, and it's really a great procedure to help your own body make your own collagen.